money money is anything which people readily accept as payment for goods, services, and debt. But when we come to the full meaning of money, Emma Yaramia, many people shall suffer because of me. Oma Yala, only few shall see me. Emma Yala, nothing can turn my absenteeism. Ima Yala, everything is done by me. Emma Yala, yet I am the root of all evil.
Oh, bro. Allahu Akbar.
I got in number the full meaning of the Chekanyu striker.
Let's hear it, bro.
Chicham SS 77. Okay. SS 77 SS.
Okay.
Tokomalia Esma Samai Ada Esma Sapo Sama Sinsen Su secondary school. Samai Sapo Sinsen secondary school.
Allah.
Brother, shukr.